यार सुकून है यार, इधर बहुत किच किच है, क्यों चाहिए भाई? हाँ।
Good evening, everyone. My voice is audible?
Good evening, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The small information to all. End of the sections, we just having their small games as well as that MCQ assessment. So what you should do, right? It's very simple. Just listen my classes next 1 hour. Okay. Fine now? Do you?
Okay.
Fine.
Fine. Before we begin, just I want to think about your day from the moments you wake up until now. Okay? Just to think that your alarm rings on your smartphone, right? You check the mail, then send some few mails through WhatsApp. You use some transport today. Sometimes you use maybe elevators. Then today it's a Sunday, na? So you went on some shopping mall, pay the online payment app. So watching the televisions, right? Now you should attend that virtual mode. Yes, class in virtual mode. Have you ever stopped to think what make all this possible, smooth, fast, and reliable? Please, anyone? Can you possible to answer us?
Engineering and
Very
jumping
simple.
the engineering
Yes.
beyond streamline our daily activities. Key points of engineering impact the effective products, quality, way topic integration English students.
Everything is behind engineering, right? Yes. So the today's sessions it's focused on how engineering slightly works behind this scenes. Yes, to streamline our daily activities. On if ringing the alarms, using the payment app, use the elevator, whatever may be, yes, everything it's go for smooth, fast, and perfect. The reason is it's behind the engineering activities. Okay, engineering works. So that's why as engineering students you often associate engineering with complex machines, big infrastructures, advanced technologies. But engineering is not only about the large project. Okay, it is also about small improvements that makes everyday life easier, faster, safer, and better. These sessions will help you understand the engineering beyond textbook, see how your future role directly impacts society, then connect the theory with the real world applications. So what do we mean by streamlining the daily activities? Let us understand the term streamlining. Streamlining means it's reducing their unnecessary effort. Then it's saving the time and resources, then improving the accuracy and reliability. So the delivering better result with minimum waste. So the engineering helps in streamlining the daily activities by automating repetitive tasks, then optimizing their process, then designing the user friendly systems, improving the decisions making using data and technology. For example, traffic signals that adapt to vehicle density. Online banking, it's reducing the paperwork and waiting time. Sometimes the smart appliance, it's saving the electricity and water. Okay, so all this are outcome of engineering thinking and problem solving. So what is the key dimension of engineering impact? Because the topic is mainly focused on three important outcomes of engineering. Okay, even your title itself, it's consisting. One is efficiency. The engineering help us to do the same task in less time with less effort using fewer resources. Example, a washing machine versus manual washing, automated attendance system in institutions, fast data processing through software tools. So, second, the productivity also. The engineering increase the amount of output for the same input. Example, manufacturing automation producing their more unit per hour. Even the agricultural engineering, it's involved the crop yield, yes, at the maximum. Then if you use these software tools, it's help the engineers to design faster as well as better. Then even not only efficiency, not only productivity, even quality also. The engineering ensure consistency, accuracy, safety and reliability. Okay, so the quality control system in industries, the medical devices, with the high precision. So the structural engineering ensure the building the safety. If you take their hospital now, if we just to be involved that engineering to compare the manual systems, so the automatically the accuracy will be increased. Okay, so that much of things, that previously the pp machines, everything it's checking in that manual. Now everything is automated, yes, with the effort of engineering. So automatically the accuracy, the results, the productivity also will be come very good quality. So why this topic is important for engineering students? Because as a future engineers, you will design the system, right? We are actually the other category people is not there. Okay, you only, the engineers only to design the system. So you will solve the real world problem. So you will influence how people, it's live and work. Yes, so you only want to be think which one is comfortable and how we can reduce that cost. Yes, how we can save the time. Everything you only going to design. So that's why this topic is important for engineering students. Then this topic, it helps to realize that the engineering is not the limited to labs or factories. The every engineering decisions affect the human life and society. So the innovation starts from understanding the daily problems. So even the small engineering improvement can create the big social impact. So keep relating the concept to your own daily experience and think like on the engineer, it's not just a student. Okay, then automation of a routine task, use of the machines and software to handle the repetitive task. Let's start by asking the question, how many of you set an alarm to wake up early morning? So how many of you use the email filters, automated bill payment or smart assistants like Google or Alexa? All of this are the example of automation at work, right? So the machines and software performing the task we used to manually. So the automation is not the science fictions. It's a part of our everyday life. So the making task faster, easier and more accurate also. So what is automations? The automation means using the machines, software or even system to perform the repetitive or predictable task without continuous human intervention. So that is automation. So it is commonly applied to manufacturing. Example, in that assembly unit, so we can use the robots. Many of the car assembling manufacturing unit use their robots. So that is one of the example. Another thing is we can use the office operations, data entry, payroll. Nowadays the automations is just to be occupied that positions. Then daily life, washing machines, automated washing machines is there. That is automation. So the meaning itself, it's shown they are fully the daily operations, right? Then email scheduling. So the goal is simple, because the automation goal is very simple: reduce the human effort, save the time, especially eliminate the error. Okay, these are the goal. We can use their automations. Then what is the key benefits of automations? Because the reduce of human effort, because the task that are, it's repetitive, some tedious, or some of that time consuming, or now it's handled automatically. For example, automatic email responses, the robotic, it's a vacuum cleaner, or it's a conveyor of belt in factories. So these are the examples how the human effort should reduced. Then engineers design systems so human can focused on creative and problem solving tasks rather than the repetitive chores. Then minimize the operations delay. The machines work continuously without, it's breaks. So this reduce the downtime and it's improve overall workflow efficiency. Then improve the consistency and accuracy. And the human error is natural, we can't to skip, right? But the machines and software, it's follow the previous instructions every time. So the automated, the quality testing in the industry, it's ensuring the every product meet the standard. So if using their automations now, so improve the consistency as well as that accuracy also. So even in software automations, the script can handle thousands of calculations without mistakes, even without single mistakes. So that is everything is possible for automations. If you take that real world examples now, for example, manufacturing industries, the robotics assembling their product with high precision, right? Then if you take that IT and office work, the payroll, the software automatically calculate that salary, and it's generate their pay slips, like HR Keka software, and HR Bamboo, Zoho. These are the software, it's helping their yes, automated calculation of salary, as well as to automatically we can download their pay slips. Yes, every employees can automatically can possible to download their pay slips without any helping of HR people. Okay, we can give that ID now, automatically we can possible to get it. So everything, it's only possible of automations. Then it's if you take their healthcare industry sector, automated lab machines conducting their test consistently without any lab technicians helps. If you take their daily lives also, just to think that it's a smart coffee machines, or it's a even our smartphone also, it's saving is every timing every morning also, right? So saving their time, especially smart coffee machines, the working ladies, it's yes, it's very helpful for them to save their uh, every morning. So these are the examples, lifetime examples, the benefits involved in their automations. Just to you ask some questions to yourself: how much time and effort do I save every day thanks to automations? You just to be ask yourself, right? Because the answer is very surprise. It's more than we usually notice, right? In essence, the automation in engineering working quickly in the background, helping us save time, reduce the errors. It's focused on more valuable, creative, and strategic tasks also. Next, we can see the process automations. And it's engineering design thinking take these benefits ever. It's further in engineering productivity and quality. So the process optimizations, the engineering redesign their workflow for efficiency. Let's imagine this scenario. Uh, you are making tea in the morning. Okay, so first you boil the water, then wash the cup, then get the tea leaves, and finally clean the pan after boiling, right? So now imagine if we recognize these steps: boiling water while getting the tea leaves, keeping the cup ready, and using one pan efficiency, right? So you save time and effort, right? This is exactly what the process optimization in engineering does, but on a much larger scale. Okay, so what is process optimization? So the process optimization is the engineering practice of analyzing the workflow. What is step 1, step 2, step 3, and ending steps, like that. Okay, so it's eliminating their unnecessary steps. Okay, so if you go for analyzing their workflow na, so automatically it's eliminating their unnecessary steps. So recognizing their task for maximum efficiency, speed, and reduce the it's a effective resource utilization also. So it's applied in manufacturing process, software development pipelines, logistics and supply chain, even daily administrative work. So the main goal is to make the process as smooth, fast, and cost effective as possible. So what is the key benefits of this process automations? I mean the processing na, because the engineering, it's first one is eliminating their unnecessary steps. So the engineers study the workflow to remove the non-value adding activities. Example, in factories, it's removing the manual approval that slow down productions. So the outcome is fast process, reduce the fatigue, and less wastages also. Then second benefit is improve the speed. Optimized process, it's reduce the delays and bottlenecks. uh, in IT na, it's optimized code deployment, it's reduced the downtime, and it's accurately we can say the delivery time also. Example, automated assembly line with optimized sequence can produce the more unit in less time. For example, per hour we can possible to produce that much of unit. Everything we can possible easily to calculate, easily we can forecast, easily we can predict the results. Then third one is the benefits is enhance the resource utilizations. So the every input, time, manpower, material, energy, we can use efficiently. We can say that na input, yes, 4 P's: men, money, machines, material. We can call it as four M's. Okay, now we can call it as 5M. Method also one of the most input now, right, in the competitive world. So the 5 M's we want to be, yes, utilized properly. So this thing is most important. Another thing is, it's this minimize the ideal time, reduce the cost, and improve the overall productivity. So if we can say in short, the process optimization in engineering thinking applied to workflows. Okay, it ensure that it's every step add values, so time and resource are used effectively. Then it's operations run fast, the operations run smooth, as well as in smart also. So these are the benefits it's involving their process of optimization in engineering. Next we will see how the quality engineering complement, that is the automation and process optimization to ensure the reliability and the excellence in everyday operations. Right now we can see the use of technology and tools. How do large companies like Amazon, Tesla, or even your local hospital manage so many operations seamlessly every day? Right? So, how does a factory know exactly, yes, how many products to produce and track the quality in real time and coordinate between the department without delays? So the answer is technology and tools. Right? So without any interruption, how it's possible? Because using their technologies and tools. So the engineering is not just about the machines and equations. It is about using the right tools and right systems to connect the people process. Okay, so the integrations of software, machines and smart tools, the modern engineering relies on integrations. It's combining software, machines and smart tools to work together. Example, in manufacturing plant, robots, it's a sensor and software work in some, it's synergic to assemble the product and track the defects effectively, I mean automatically. So the integration allow the seamless data flow, reduce the manual interventions and speed up the operations. So the technology alone is not enough, it is the integration that creates efficiency. Then real time monitoring and control, the technology allow the engineers and managers to monitor the operations live. Example, it's a smart sensor in factories detect the machine's failures immediately. So how it's possible? Because the real-time monitoring and control system. Then, it's a software dashboard, track the product, production rate, energy consumption or stock levels, PO, we can say no pipo lipo, first in first out, lost in first out, we can utilize in that warehouses, right? So that time we can easily to find out their stock levels, everything we can possible to real time monitoring systems. So the real time control means the problems are identified and fixed instantly, instead of waiting for daily reports or inspections. So the impact is reduce the downtime, improve the reliability, ensure the better quality and productivity. Then enhance the coordination between departments. The technology acts as a bridge between the different departments. Example, sales, productions, logistics. The teams, it's share the real time data in one system, because every for example, sales department is different, production department is different, but both the department is very much it's correlated, because the sales based on their sales department data, how much demand, how when their demands want to be in real time, so that much of information we pass to the production department, so the production department just to be making accordingly for their, processing according their productions. Okay, another thing is when the logistics also want to be interrelated, so each and every department it's interconnected. Okay, so that things it's happened for their using their technologies. Okay, this reduce the delays, miscommunication, and duplicate some works, everything. So, the tools like ERP, enterprise resource planning, it's a project management software, agile. Yes, some of the methodologies, the cloud platforms, data analytics, it's make this possible. So that what is the impact of this, it's everyone work on the same page, right? So the decisions are faster and more informed. Previously we can used for Excel sheet, right? For example, now we can use for Google form. Yes, because if, for example, I am sharing their Google form, Google sheet to you. Okay, it's just like all the what are the advantages there in that Excel, the same thing we can used in the Google sheet also. But in that Excel we don't have any option to sharing to others, right? Even the file itself we can possible to share it, but in Google sheet we can having their sharing options. For example, now I'm making any changes in that sheet at a time, you are also just to be visible the changes, right? So these are the advantage is there in that uh, technologies now. That's why we are saying that the engineering uh, process, the streamlining daily activities, it's one of the things use their proper tools and technologies. Okay, so we can simply to summarize that slide engineering is not just about the machines or tools, it is about using their technology smartly to connect the process, people, and data. So when the technology, real time monitoring, and departmental coordinations come together, its efficiency, productivity, and even the quality improved significantly. So the next we will see how all these aspect, the automations, the process optimization, and technology, it's combined to make the engineering indisciplineness, okay, our daily lives. Now we can see that quality and safety improvement. Whenever you use on elevator, or ride a bike, or switch on a electrical appliance, even attend on online classes, you trust that the system will work safely or correctly. So this trust it exists because the engineering standards and safety systems are built in the into every process. So the quality and safety are not optional in engineering, it's a fundamental responsibilities. So the engineering standards ensure the quality output. So the engineering standards provide clear guidelines on how the product and system should be designed, tested, and operated. So these standard, it's nothing. It is safety management. I hope that the many of the sections in previously we have seen that in safety management. Okay, so that is the thing. So these standards ensure their consistency, reliability, performance. Example, ISO standards in manufacturing, IEEE standards in electricals and electronics engineering, right? So the software testing standard to ensure the error-free applications. So because of these standards, the output remain uniform and dependable. So the regardless of who operate the system or where it is produced, then it's a safety system reduce the workplace risk. The engineering plays a major role in identifying the risk and preventing the accident. So the safety system include sensor and alarms, it's a emergency shutdown machines, then protective equipments and safety interlocks, fire alarm and a sprinkle system in buildings. Now this is the example. Even that machine guards in factories, circuit breakers prevent the electrical hazards. So these systems, it's protect the human lives, it's reduce the injuries and create safer working environment, then minimize the operational failure. Poor quality and lack of safety options, it's lead to system breakdowns and failures. So the engineering designs, it's a focus on, it's a preventive maintenance, it's fault detections, it's backup systems. Example, it's a predictive maintenance using the sensor in industries, then software fail safes and data breakups. So by addressing these problems before they calculate, the engineering minimize the downtime losses, and it's some failures also. So the quality ensure things work correctly, then safety ensure the people are protected. So that together the quality and safety improvements help the organization operates smoothly while safeguarding lives and resources. Then most important concentration of the engineering is the cost and uh, time efficiency. Just any one answer me if two methods give the same result, okay, but one take less time and cost less, which one would you choose? Anyone? The same result, but that one is take their less time, less cost. Okay, so definitely which one we can choose? Definitely those who are having their time consuming, yes, cost consuming, right? Because we are human, definitely we choose like that only. So in engineering, this choice is not optional, this choice is your core objectives. Please keep on that mind, this is your core objectives. What is your core objectives? Time consuming as well as less costing systems. So one of the most visible contributions of engineering in daily life is saving the time and it's money while maintaining the quality and safety. They, it's a engineering solutions reduce the wastage. It's a wastage can occur in many forms. For example, material wastage, it's engineer energy waste, time wastage, human effort wastage. So the engineering address this by uh, optimizing their designs, then improving the process flow using their precise measurement and automations. Example, the energy efficient applications, it's reduce the electricity loss. Then it's lean manufacturing, it's reduce the excess material use. So the smart irrigations, its systems, it's minimize the water wastage also. So the reduce the wastage directly leads to higher efficiency and sustainability. Second, it save the operations cost. When the wastage is minimized, automatically the operations cost also minimized, right? So the engineering innovations, it's help the organizations use fewer resources, reduce the maintenance expenses, avoid the cost failures and reworks. Example, software automations, it's reduce the manpower cost, right? Then it's optimized logistics, it's saving their fuel and transportation expenses also. So the engineering does not mean the expensive solutions, it means it's cost effective and smart solutions. Then third one is it's faster completions of daily activities. Engineering involves the speed of execution in everyday tasks, the automations, optimized workflow, and advanced tool allow the task to be completed more quickly, with fewer interruptions, with it's a consistent result also. So the time saved through engineering directly improve the productivity and quality life. So the engineering reduce the wastage, engineering save the money, engineering save the times. So together cost and time efficiency is make engineering a powerful driver of progress of everyday operations. Okay, got it? Yes. Next one is sustainability in operations. Today, engineering success is not measured only by speed, cost, or output, but also by how responsibility we use the resource. Because the modern engineers are expected to design systems that meet today's need without compromising the future. This is where sustainability in operations becomes a crucial role of engineering. So the energy efficient systems, the engineering play a key role in developing energy efficient system that perform the same task using less energy. So the energy efficiency reduce the power consumptions, operations cost, dependence on non-renewable resources. Example, LED. It's lighting replacing the traditional bulb, right? Then smart building with automated lights, lighting, it's and it's climate control also. So the energy efficient engineering ensure maximum output with minimum energy input. Then reduce the environmental impact. Engineering solutions, it's helpful for minimize the negative impact on the environment. Reduce the emissions, less waste generations, lower pollutions levels. Example, wastewater treatment, the plants, electric and hybrid vehicles, like that. So through the sustainable design and technology, the engineering support the environmental protections while maintaining the productivity. Then long-term operational benefits. The sustainability in engineering is not just environmentally responsible, it is also economically beneficial in the long run. Okay, so the benefits includes lower energy and maintenance cost, longer system life. Example, solar power systems reduce the long term electricity expenses. Then durable design reduce the frequent replacements. So the sustainability ensure stable, reliable, as well as it's future ready operations. So the real life impact is, if you take industries, it's reduce the carbon footprint and improve the brand reputations. You take that cities, the smart cities initiative for sustainable urban living. Okay, for example, take ourselves, the individual, what is the benefit is there? Because the cleaner environment and better quality of life. Okay, so the engineering makes the sustainability practical and achievable, not just the theoretical. Okay, so in final conclusions, we will connect the sustainability with efficiency, quality, safety, and technology to understand the complete role of engineering in streamlining the daily activities. Finally, we conclude na. Uh, Let us take the moment to reflect on what we have discussed. From the moment we wake up until we finish our day, our work day, the engineering influence almost every activity in our lives. Yes, often without us realizing it. And throughout the sessions, we have seen how the engineering streamlining their daily activities. Okay, smarter through automations, digital tools, real-time data. Faster by optimizing the process and reduce the delay. Safer using quality standard and safety systems. More efficient by saving time, cost, energy and resources. So the engineering transform the complex task into simple, reliable and repeatable operations. So whether it is automations of routine tasks, process optimization, used of advanced technology and tools, quality and safety improvements, cost and time efficiency, and sustainable environment. I mean, operations, all these elements work together to improve the organizational performance and our daily lives. So the engineering and organization success in today competitive technology driven world is the organization cannot survive without engineering. What is the meaning? Without you, without engineers, the society cannot survive. Please, that's why we are saying that my only one request to you, don't to be take the responsibility. Okay, please take the accountability. What is the meaning of, okay, the section is ending, just I'm just to be take their common interactions. Okay, what is the difference between responsibility and accountability? Because the responsibility focused on activity, that's it, but accountability means it's focused on result. So the engineers, yes, what are the responsibilities there in teachers? Yes, almost one step ahead the responsibility is needed to engineers. Okay, I hope that all the engineers having their, all are taking your accountability. Okay, not instead of responsibility. Okay, today itself at least. Okay na?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Okay. Okay, any queries?
Yeah.
Can we leave the sessions?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No.
Thank you.
Or you forget what is our
Yeah,
end of the sections?
yeah.
We have planned already, na?
Oh, okay.
Activity.
Everybody.
Sure. No.
Now only I'm just to telling that you want more accountability. You only
Yeah,
ask the
yeah.
question, na?
No problem, ma'am. Yes, we can go. Yes, let's do it.
Charles always it's just seeking there when the class will complete. Just
No,
go
no.
for eating the dinner. Yes.
No, we are there, ma'am. We are here. Let's continue.
Okay.
Bring it on.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, actually. Now it's okay. Just play games first, okay? Okay. Now let's play a simple game. I hope that everyone ready to participate this game. It's very simple, okay? In today's sessions, we discuss many important words. It's related to our topic, right? Many words we are used. Okay, so everyone please say at least one word. I hope that one second, how many participants? 42 participants are here. 42 students are here. Uh, mm, Total 44. Myself and Adira madam is 2 is left. So automatically 42 students are there. So each student at least to say single word. Okay. You remember na such as it's nothing. For example, engineering it one word, streamline is another word, like that. What are the words today we discussed in their sessions? Okay, each one please, any one words. Sorry,
Efficiency and quality.
your
About
voice is not
efficiency and
audible.
quality.
Quality and safety environment.
Quality, safety, environment, 3 words used by Marimuthu sir. Yes, very good. Then
Cost
Accountability.
and time.
Cost and
Cost and
time
time.
technology,
management. Cost
Office
and time
automation, cost efficiency, environment,
efficiency, fast, efficiency, quality, then
environmental,
Time
automation,
cons
Cost,
automations.
cost
time
Very
and
good.
consuming and
time,
less costing system.
Yes, good. Then
process
cost and
optimization,
time
sorry.
process
cost
optimization,
and time management.
Okay, okay, fine. Then
Focus on
Energy
accountability.
savings. Okay,
Put me
saving
good.
the time. Then
Accountability method.
Analyzing workflows and
accountability.
eliminate
Very good.
unnecessary.
Sorry.
Reduce downtime,
Okay, less time. Then
enhance operations,
okay, operations. Then
consistency,
consistency,
reliability,
reliability. Each topic you
Sustainability.
just be
operational
remember to
failure,
get lot of words, na.
Sustainability.
Sustainability.
Yes, environment. Okay, environment. Then sustainability. Then
quality and safety improvement,
quality, safety, improvements. 3 words. Very good. Then
optimization process,
optimization, process. Then emissions, generations, pollutions. Lot of words. LED bulbs. Yes,
yes,
Lean
energy,
manufacturing.
efficient,
elevator,
Lean manufacturing.
manufacturing, IT
Sustainability.
sectors, reduce
Solar,
the wastage,
solar energy.
solar energy.
alarm,
reduce
Try
environmental impacts,
everyone. I hope that 4 or 5 members only to participate. What about the rest of the people?
environmental impacts,
Yes, very good, very
water,
good,
Time management.
very good.
Reduce the human efforts.
operates,
Yes, human interventions, perfect.
Human
Then,
routine task,
yes,
minim,
routine,
minim,
daily activities, risk
Perfect.
assessment, perfect.
minimize operational delays.
Okay, operational failures.
Yeah, ma'am. Data coordination with
Healthcare.
each departments.
Good, good. Then,
reduce workplaces,
to we can say that now it's a bridge between different departments. What are the department is there? What are the
HR
departments is
department,
interconnected?
sales, HR, logistics, sales,
IT,
Sales, productions, logistics.
logistic, yeah.
yes,
Hmm. Then,
IT,
very good. Then,
Preventive maintenance,
very good, very good. More than 50. Yes, you know that in examination point of view, each chapters you having their you can possible to remember 30 to 40 words, definitely you can attend their, yes, more descriptive answers also. Okay, you can possible to attend that more descriptive answers also. Okay, fine, nah?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Then we can see that MCQ. Okay. Are you interested, na? Or getting bored?
Yes. No, proceed.
No problem.
It's okay. Fine. Okay. A factory, first question is, a factory installed robotic arms to pack products automatically, so reduce the human effort and errors. This is the example of what? Process optimizations, quality inspections, automations, or sustainability.
Automation.
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 Very good. Automations. I'm not asking direct questions. It's little bit application based. Okay, just to think and tell. Okay. Okay. Good. Second one is, a hospital redesign its patients admissions process to remove repeated paperwork and reduce the waiting time. Which engineering concept is applied here?
Process
Automation
optimization.
or
Process
process
optimization.
sorry sorry
Process optimization.
Automation.
Process
Option
optimization.
B. Option B.
Okay. Here it comes to your end comes to two answer. One is process optimization. Second one is automations. Okay. First, I'm asking the questions for those who are telling that process optimization. Na? How you are saying that it is process optimization? Can you please explain?
Because repeated actions removed for more productive.
Repeated process remove paperwork and reduces waiting time. Unnecessary
Because
process.
the process optimization, first we want to think step by step, right? So
Yes.
it's reduce their waste unnecessary time also. It's repeated work also. Okay, that
Yes.
is process optimization. So it is the answer correct is here. The answer is process optimization is correct. Okay. Good. Because automated related machines, everything, it's not here in that question. So the correct answer is process optimizations. Good. Then third one is, on IT company use the software to track the system performance in real time and detect the failures yearly. This mainly helps in increasing
Increase in
B.
Option B.
Option B. Improving reliability and productivity.
good. Improving the
Answer B.
reliability and
and
productivity, because the tracker system performance in real time. Yes, because we are using their, not in the, another thing is the three of them, it's negative answer, right? For example, A, C, D, it's showing their negative answer, but the B only, it's giving their positive. Yes, of course, we are using their softwares, tools and techniques because of positive, not in their negatives, because the manual work only, it's leading their negative things. We can use their tools and technology, definitely we can get it positive. Yes, very good. Next. Okay. A constructions company follows strict engineering standards and safety system at the site to avoid accident. This practice focused on what?
Option
It
C.
only
Option
process
Quality and
and
safety
Option C.
improvement.
Quality and
Option
safety
C.
Quality and
improvement.
safety
Option C.
environment.
yes. Correct answer is C, the quality and safety improvement. Because that engineering standard, safety and systems, yes, the very clearly mentioned that questions regarding their safety and systems. So we can use them, we can avoid their accident, because the quality and safety improvement it shows. Good. Finally, the manufacturing unit reduce the material wastage and energy consumption by improving design and using their efficient machines. This best represents What?
Sustainability.
A.
Option
Cost
B.
and time efficiency.
Sustainability
Cost
of
and time efficiency.
Cost and time.
Option
A.
A.
Option A. Cost and
Cost
time.
and efficiency.
Please look into that. Reduce the material wastage and energy consumption.
Increase resource
Yes,
usage.
option D.
It is sustainability in operations, right?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
So please, application based questions, but please think and answer. Okay. But anyway, good try. Okay. Thank you so much. It's very appreciated to all the participants. The remaining participants also just to be tried to participate. The question right or wrong, or that is not a matter. The thing is, we just to be participation. Okay, we just to be increase some at least now. What is the in today's sections? What is the major agenda? What about their engineer's responsibility? Right? How the engineer responsibility shift from responsibility to accountability. So you are the engineers, you want to be initiate anything, small games or assessment or whatever may be, you want to be participate. Okay, that is you want to be listen to our sessions. Okay, thank you so much. Do you have any queries?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. No, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma. Welcome, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much.